And you built this?
Yeah, I'm still in the midst of it. It's just a scrap box trying to get tuning and everything.
Not quite finished yet?
No. It's
always a work in progress, man.
It's actually meant for 412s, but I still don't have the other two in there.
Okay. What all's in here for equipment?
For equipment, I have 4 6.5s, one for each door on a 350.4 VFL, and then I've got 2 Resilient Sound Gold 12s on. Well, each have a VFL Comp 2K. They're wired at 1 ohm.
Okay.
Dual 2s.
All right. And you built this?
Yeah, I'm still in the midst of it. It's just a scrap box trying to get tuning and everything.
Okay. Do you know what it's tuned to yet at all?
Right now, just kind of going off what I feel, it's around 29 to 52. Yeah, outside door, outside handle.
Okay. Yeah. She was making sure it was shut.
It's been beat up.
It has. She was making sure it was shut. Some people subs unload a little more. All right.
Shattering glass and cabin assays.
Awesome. Solid up here though. Add a little bit of support.
I'm actually going to run one more layer of 3/4 up here, and then go ahead and throw in some stripper poles.
Yeah.
And finish sealing off that just to be able to get my actual peak of everything.
Big boy gang moves, gang moves. I like to walk around with my Elliot got me rocky, socket, take out rocket, keep them in pocket. Water gon' lock it, quadruple the profit. I bought like I bought, talk like I talk. What's in my bottle, load of cash and no sauce. I put a lab in my life. She cook up and jet with the fog. By the pair, I got carrots that chunk. By the pair, I got carrots each load. Private like private, just round the globe. Hit a bitch, hit a lick with the jaw. Walk it like I'm talking. 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 Let's go. Walk it like I'm talking. 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 Hey, walk it like I'm talking. 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 What you want? No milk walking. Walk it like I'm talking. Just my bro, he know the lingo. Yeah, a little warm in here. Get your freaking diamond. I bought a plain Jane roller. These niggas bought they thing. I think my back got scoliosis cause I swerved the lane. Heard you signed your life for that brand new chain. I heard. Think it came with stripes, but you ain't straight with the gang. Walk it like I'm talking. 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 Walk it like I'm like I'm talking, walk it like I'm talking, walk it like I'm talking, walk it like I'm talking. Take my shoes and walk a mile, something that you can't do. Hey, big talks of the town, big boy gang moves. I like to walk around with my chain moves. She just bought a new ass, I got the same move, with no dope signs. That's my fucking vibe. Had no kiss, no mind. Get your fucking diamonds. I bought a plain chain, rolling, these niggas bought the thing. I think my back got scoliosis cause I swerved the lane. Heard you signed your life for that brand new chain. Think it came with stripes, but you ain't straight with the gang. Walk it like I'm talking, 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 like I'm talking, walk it like I'm talking, let's go. Walk it like I'm talking, 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 like I'm talking, walk it like I'm talking, hey. I gotta stay in my zone. Said we been beefing, dog, and you on y'all. First night, she won't let me fuck with me wrong. I hit her, gave her back to the Like I talk it, walk it, walk it, like I talk it, walk it, like I talk it, like I talk it. Just my bro, he know the lingo.
Yeah, a little warm in here.
It gets bandwidth, dude.
Oh yes, playing anywhere from 18 up to 60.
Man,
Yeah.
that's really good. And your quality audio on YouTube. All
Yes,
right.
sir. Yes, sir.
Nice to meet you. What was your name again?
Jeff,
Jeff, Jacob. All right. Thanks for the demo, man.
not a problem. Anytime. Yeah, she's gonna have to let you out.
Could I see the amp?
Yeah, they're in the back. Well, I got the door amp up here, and then the door amp or sub amp in the back.
Okay. Awesome. All right. There we go.
Yeah, not much room.
It's all right. You make it work, man.
I still got 2 more to go in there.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.